Looking young and feeling young are two things everybody wants. If you want to reverse your biological aging clock and look a few years younger than your real age, then starting early is what matters. After all, what you eat and the lifestyle you adopt in your early years will reflect how you'll look when you grow older. The question is it really possible to get rid of oily, saggy skin, wrinkles and go from looking older to younger in a few months or years? Yes, it is. But you're going to have to take these tips into consideration and apply them. How to look younger: 15 ways to look young and feel youthful. Here are 15 ways on how to look younger at 30, or older, and be more youthful despite your biological age. Follow these and people just won't believe your age when they judge your looks. Number 1. Load up on antioxidants. Antioxidants fight against inflammation and free radical damage in the body. They are your best friends when it comes to anti-aging. If you'd like to protect yourself from lifestyle diseases like cancer and diabetes, then adding antioxidant-rich foods will help. We recommend berries since they're not only nutrient-dense but loaded with antioxidants. What kinds? Any kind, including, but not just limited to, goji berries, acai berries, blueberries, wild berries, Indian gooseberry, bilberry, cranberries, and strawberries. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Dehydration not only makes your skin look wrinkly and saggy, but it also makes you look older. Make sure you drink plenty of water, at least 3 to 4 liters a day. Water flushes out the harmful toxins from your body and keeps your internal organs working optimally. It also nourishes your skin and adds to that flawless glow everybody wants. Besides hydrating skin cells, it improves blood circulation too. Wondering how to look younger naturally at home? Drink more water. Number 3. Exercise every day. In today's world, we're all hooked to our smartphones and tablets, slouching, sitting with poor posture, and leaning our neck forward to fix our gazes at the screen. As we're leading busier lives, we end up neglecting ourselves in the process. We know that exercising is good for longevity and good health, but how many of us actually pay any heed to it? Well, if you want to look younger by face, you have to exercise. And you don't have to be an athlete or a sports buff to avail the benefits. Start small by walking every day and going on leisurely strolls. Hang out with your friends and sign up for yoga or dance classes. If you've got knee or joint issues, you can do low-impact workouts and work your way up from there until your condition improves. What's the best exercise to lose weight and look younger? It's the kind that makes you forget it's a workout by making it tons of fun. Number 4. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Although organic grass-fed meats should be in your kitchen for your non-vegetarian requirements, you shouldn't skimp out on the fruits and vegetables. Fruits and veggies alkalize your body and give your liver a nice detox. In Chinese medicine, they say that the state of your liver and various internal organs reflects your health on the outside. And what better way to detox than by eating clean and green? Foods to look younger include cacao powder, olives, avocados, pomegranates, leafy greens, and wheatgrass powder. If you feel bloated, you can go on a juice fast too. It will give you that much-needed nutrition boost and add months, or years, to your life. It's one of the most beneficial home remedies to look younger and beautiful. Number 5. Don't use shampoo or strong cleansers every day. We get that using hair cleansers and shampoo is a fad these days, but if you overuse them, you'll be stripping your hair of useful chemicals. To make sure your pH levels are balanced and to get that gorgeous bounce and shine, limit your use of hair care products to 2 or 3 times a week. On other days, use essential oils like tea tree, chamomile, and jasmine to nourish the scalp and hair. Coconut oil is another popular solution used for getting shiny and beautiful hair. Also, try to reduce your use of hair dryers, heat styling tools, and curling irons. They usually dry out your hair too much and lead to a lot of breakage/damage when overused. Number 6. Get creative. There's a saying that if you don't mentally feel young, you're not going to look young on the outside down the years. The best way to combat that is by doing something creative. We mean theater and drama, acting, drawing and painting or music, literally, any activity that gets your creative juices flowing and builds up the white matter in your brain. Next time you think, how do I look younger, you know the answer. Number 7. Check your posture. As we grow older, we have a tendency to hunch or experience what we call a hunched posture. This not only makes us look old but gives us a lot of pain too. Doing posture exercises, sleeping on a flat surface without a pillow, and taking care of your spinal health are fantastic ways to keep this in check. When you stand, make sure you evenly distribute your weight and stand tall using the balls of your feet. Because it makes you look younger and taller. Number 8. Get some sleep. Sleep deprivation and insomnia are two things that equate to dark spots, wrinkles under your eyes, and saggy skin. You just won't look your best when you don't get enough sleep, and it'll show up in your performance and everyday life. Getting adequate sleep will not only rejuvenate you but make you look younger too. Because looking young is also about being vitalized and brimming with energy. Researchers have discovered that cherry juice and any naturally occurring melatonin-rich foods put you off to sleep easily. Number 9. Cut down on stress. Stress releases a burst of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol which make your heart beat faster and raise your blood pressure. Your organs end up working harder than they should, making you tired, weary, and yes, older. We realize everybody gets stressed these days, but it has more to do with how you live and what habits you have. Meditation triggers the relaxation response inside your body and prevents aging of the brain. Just fitting in 10 to 20 minutes a day of that happy me time will do wonders for your stress levels. And if you don't know how to meditate or can't sit still, go for qigong or yoga classes. They usually feature standing and moving meditation. Number 10. Enjoy sex and cuddling. Passion is an emotion that gets you up and running, making you feel light years young. According to Gail Sheehy, author of Sex and the Seasoned Woman, it's the central motivation of all human activity. Touching your partner releases feel-good hormones like oxytocin which are known to beat stress and depression. And having sex gives you that post-coital afterglow as the blood rushes to your skin, making your face glow and seem younger. And it's also a good excuse for a workout, so don't be shy and ask your partner to get more active with you during the night. Number 11. Treat yourself to a glass of red wine. Researchers have found that red wine has a compound known as resveratrol which has been proven to possess anti-aging properties. Going for that glass of red wine at the end of every night is actually good for you. Red wine has been shown to not only reduce mortality rates by 34% but to also promote longevity and youthfulness. Number 12. Play brain games. Playing brain games or doing mental aerobic exercises have been shown to rewire your brain, improve your memory and get cognitive benefits that last as long as 5 years. There are tons of apps like Luminosity and Elevate, but if you want cheaper options or more free stuff, you can peer into the crossword or Sudoku sections in your local newspapers. Besides that, any activity that exercises your left and right brain hemispheres like chess, challenging puzzles, Rubik's Cube, games that test your logic, spatial awareness, color sensitivity, and creativity are good for you. You can just pop in a season of brain games on your TV and follow the episodes for ideas. Number 13. Use supplements for your skin. Any skin creams which contain the compound retinol work against beating wrinkles and smoothening your skin. The old skin peels out gently and gets replaced with newer, supple, and more beautiful skin. Foods or supplements that contain alpha-lipoic acid (ALA) like flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds are known to get you anti-aging benefits. Take care of your skin by using skin creams and lotions containing retinol, and don't forget to eat ALA-rich foods or supplements. Number 14. Meet new people and travel. Meeting new people, getting outside the house, and traveling the world will bring you fresh perspectives and an appreciation for lifestyle and culture. When you immerse yourself in new experiences and new people, you'll truly feel alive. And that's one of the secret ingredients to feeling young, living in the moment and enjoying it to the fullest. Number 15. Make healthy habits. At the end of the day, your habits turn you into the person you are. If you are serious about looking younger in your later years, you will have to put in the work. No shortcuts. And how long does it take to make new habits? Science says 21 days, but we say don't believe you've come to grips with it until you hit at least 6 months. Yes, it's hard, but it's worth it, which is why we recommend it. You don't have to go monk mode and practice these tips religiously to look younger. But yes, start early and with the small stuff like exercise, food, and sleep. Build up the other habits gradually, and before you know it, you'll experience the snowball effect and look years younger in the future.